Hi everyone, Dearly Crafted here. I'm going to do an unboxing of the prize that I won in the Everything Gwenny 500 subscriber giveaway, and I will link that somewhere around here. Of her original unboxing when she showed this, I fell in love with this picture when she unboxed it. I had almost went to the site and bought it, but I hadn't yet, and then I ended up winning it, and I was so thankful. I have never had a Diamond Art Club painting, so I'm really excited to see this. And like I said, I just love this picture. It is called Best Buds, and it is 50 by 50 centimeters. And since I live in the woods, I do have a bear that actually roams through. And I'm going to go ahead and get my scissors ready here so you don't have to listen to me talk for very long at least. But we do have a bear that wanders around and minds his own business, and I mind mine, and all is good with the world. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to open this carefully here. So I do appreciate your patience with me trying to open this carefully, because I am pretty jazzed about this. So I'm just gonna kind of fumbling here. Gwenny, you taped this up good. Thank you so much. I am deeply appreciative of making sure that this sweet bear and his little friend are protected. Like I said, I've never done the Diamond Art Club paintings yet, and Mrs. Crochet and Coffee absolutely loves them as well, and so do many other people. And so I am truly excited to be able to do this, have this opportunity to do one. All right. Okay. Nice. Okay. Actually, I'll set the box right here so you can maybe see the picture. That's just the postal inspector or something, I think, there. There. That way it's not a distraction. There we go. That way it's not a distraction. Okay. Oh wow, this is soft. Oh my goodness. This canvas feels amazing just on this side alone. Alright, I'm going to sweep a little bit here. Okay. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. Oh my goodness. They're adorable. Look at that. I'm trying to get it into frame here. I am going to have to end up moving that. I'll go ahead and move that here for a second. Aww. Look how sweet they are. And this is a full drill. And it's a full square drill. Look how beautifully that's packaged. And so I've got the drill pen and a boat. Yay! And blue wax. My first blue wax. Yay. And a few extra baggies too. Nice. Oh. Oh, they're such sweet babies. Oh my gosh. Okay. I know a lot of times they say you usually don't have to peel this up, but I'm just gonna peel it up here a little bit. Oh, I love this. I love it. Here, what I'll do is I'm gonna bring the box up here a little bit so you can see the picture a little bit closer, 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 closer. Hopefully it's not out of focus. And try to hold it steady, but okay. I think you got an idea there. All right, put that back here. I like how they put it in the sleeve too, but this canvas, oh my gosh. Feels like suede. Feels suede-like to me. Just beautiful. Oh my goodness. I just had an idea. Oh my gosh. I will do the colors. I promise, I promise, I promise. I'll do the colors. But I just had an idea. This fabric that I got from the Hobby Lobby haul looks really good with this painting. I'm almost thinking about wrapping a frame with this fabric because I know how to make the frames. So I'm thinking about wrapping a frame, even if I don't make my own frame. I can apply it with like some adhesive of this suede fabric and actually make it like a suede frame. Ah, okay. Getting some ideas here. Okay, let's look at these colors. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'll go ahead. I don't want to turn them over because they're so cute. But I will, so that we can see the colors. And like I said, I know Gwenny did an unboxing of this as well. So if you wanted to see her unboxing of this as well, it was with a couple others also. I'll link that video as well. Because when I knew I was going to be getting this, I had already watched it like, I don't know how many times. And then when I knew I was going to be getting this, alright, I'm going to pause you for a minute while I open up the crinkly plastic package thing. My apologies for the wait there. I actually accidentally stopped the camera versus pausing it, but I'll have to put my editor to work. So yeah, as far as these little bits of stuff from my table on this is just so soft. It's like, once again, needs some feel-o-vision going on here. So, okay. So, once again, the colors, beautiful. And I love how they're in the baggies. It makes it so nice. Just absolutely beautiful. I am so excited to do this because, like I said, I was admiring it when she unboxed it originally, when she received it. And so, let's see here. I'm trying to make sure they're all, I think we got, there we go. Lots of pretty greens, beautiful greens. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Just beautiful. And so once again, this is from Diamond Art Club. I will try to find this and link it below. Hopefully they still have them in stock. I'm not sure. But Mrs. Crochet and Coffee wanted to make sure and see an unboxing. And she also wanted to see, oh, I got my Color Street nails on, Mrs. Coffee. And Creativity by Gidge. Thank you very much for making sure I was all set up with having this is the first time I've tried nail appliques. But these colors are just very beautiful greens, browns, golds, and there's a little bit of 310, but really not that bad at all. This is springtime, almost like picture, and I love it. I'm so excited to do this. So let's see here. So yeah, once again, I might do the suede, apply the suede to the frame, and I think that'll be absolutely gorgeous. And I like how it's a square picture too, so yes, I'm in love with this. This feels so nice and so quality. And let's see here. I know, I'm pulling these up like a blackjack dealer, but I'm not a blackjack dealer. Just to let you know. It's like pulling up the colors. So, once again, I just want to see how cute they are. And the canvas is got the sparkle in it. It's got 28 colors total. But that is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I just need a moment with the painting alone. So, let's see here. Okay. There you go. Sweet little bear with a sweet little bird. And a sparkly canvas, a quality canvas. This is absolutely amazing feeling canvas. Wow. It is truly amazing. And all those colors are going to be absolutely beautiful. Okay, guys. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up for now. I've got to finish up the turkeys. And then I will be getting started on my mother's Christmas present, which is that Ever Moment. And it will be my first time working on an Ever Moment. I have never done one yet. I have some in stock, but I have not done them yet. And I am looking forward to that, and I'm looking forward to doing these little babies here. As soon as I can fit that into my schedule, I'm going to make it happen. Make it happen, hopefully as soon as possible. So, so my schedule is to work on my mom's diamond painting from Ever Moment, the little prayer girl. And then I will be starting on Mary and Molly, the little girl kissing the deer picture from Ever Moment as well. As soon as I get my mom's done this month, I'm going to try to get that done ASAP to get that framed and out to her. And then these two cuties will probably be next on the schedule. All right, everybody have a great day. Thank you for listening to me babble, and take care. Bye.